How to charge a motorcycle battery. First, you need to check the voltage. Voila. So, first things first. You check the voltage and it shows 0.06. So then, what you want is the lowest, and this is the lowest Genius I have. It's 5,000 milliamps. You plug it in. Plug that baby in. Okay. And then what you want to do, wait, it's magnetic. Okay. You want to connect the plus and connect the minus. Okay. Make sure you do it right. Minus and plus. Plus and minus. Okay. And what you want to do, it's a standard, so you turn it on, boom. Is that standard? Yup, see, that's standard, because that's AGM and lithium. So now we're going to figure out if it's going to charge. And that's how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Wow, it's putting 19 volts in there. Oh, why is it not touching right, the lids? Hey, what is it doing? Should be working right. It should show it all the time. Something's not right. It might not put that much voltage. Maybe it's trying to figure out. Because it's dropping it everywhere. I know it's touching. See, I'm touching it. It's still jumping around. I know it's touching on both ends. Let's try this desunflator. So what you want to do, keep pushing till it goes to repair 12 volts. And do the repair. It's repairing at 1.1 volt. That's exactly what it's sending in. It's trying all those options. So we know it's doing it. Because it's really connected. Yep. What you could do is just go straight to standard and it will charge, see? Should charge some.